Hello guys, and this is on. So I'm doing some right. It's because I had a cold. But anyway, I had a box EVGA surprise phone, and I was doing it sounds right. EVGA sounds like a good to surprise. Although a kinds of top points to start looking focus points, but can still get the first price. Then, so it's not like the single 50 cents. I think that's all I got was like single 15 good price. This is the second brand. It's using what's called a pocket for the neurodivergent. So just get that together and you can attack this game like sound with no blanks. This is a back, points the data for right. Like a little bit right. Anyway, so down. So I'm just going to use that box code right to put that cell. So cell has been broken to be right again. Really, it's a silence. So I got some game songs and self-destruction. I got self-destruction, put into case. However, it's still not current, but this is still growing. It talks about the plasma pie, doesn't go unit. This is an MTX plug. And got a cable, so it and represents a couple of ranks and sectors. So ranks and bigger other system. We're gonna have like section things ranks, but ranks self sector are really good going. I got some different cables like the box cards and then like red band. Looks like I can find those down. I got the power supply. There is. Okay. Okay, we're going. And then it's done. So this is like back, we can into at the right. Go. We can switch off. On or off something on. This is where we plug in the internet cable. So this is the side. This is the top. And this is the bottom. Alright. You can see the inside. Okay, I think the head rank. things like attack the gate. And then it will go fix it down, so it takes other stuff have to get roots off. But this is on the side. Oh. It says it doesn't what the part protect that part does. So kind of some I kind of don't want to try getting stoned into the thing. So I think I don't know what's done going with this supply, but I think right. Singing. So since I got this is a center, this ranks to something the ranks. So we got sitting, we got ranks, so tricks ranks and ranks. This is what we're going to get again. Ranks. This is ranks. Let's see what is with the ranking ones. So ranking one, taking one. Fucking one, one super one, two super one, and one range. So this is what I got. Target ranks. So I don't use any guns. Ranks I got correct. Just only insane. And then the like 10 languages running. So I can get works guns. Right. Perfect. I think, guys, we're still going to be passing Xbox supply. I hope you guys are grabbing. If you guys don't, please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment your comments. Looks like that if the comment below, so I did a comment if you comment like tricks. Let's try things. Taking it to 3 times a week. But I haven't something going like written scheduling. Don't know, but I hope you guys are doing. You guys don't. Drinks are great. All the drinks and stay good, stay safe, and. Alright, I think I've got really old stuff. I need to have. Yes, like that could be could have it replaced, so that could be still a little bit. Alright, I think that's it. Right.